Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I am making some rye flour using my WonderMill. Comes with a little cap. I've been making whole wheat flour already, so that's why it looks like that. Snap it on like that. Gotta hear that snap. Turn your tube facing that way. Turn it in there. Now this, this little sponge goes in the top. And then I've got it set on the bread setting. I'm going to get some rye berries. I get mine at Azure. Oh my gosh, I love that company. Best prices. Alright, so let's plug it in. I made a video before and I said you don't run it before, but you do. You turn it on first, okay? Bring it closer. Itself, so you ain't gotta mess with it. Now it's gonna be really loud. Okay, now we shut it off. Let it finish its whining. It just worked hard for you. It just made some beautiful flour for you. So let it finish itself before you unplug it. Like so. I unplug it. I tap this down a little. Take this. I turn it up. This always comes off, but hey, it was on there, right? There is my beautiful rye flour. It smells amazing. That's how easy it is to make your own flour with the WonderMill. You do the same thing with red white wheat berries, hard white wheat berries. You can use it for beans. You can use beans. All that, but if you do get these attachments that comes with it, and what that does is it goes over the top. Let me show you. Like if it's, and I'll tell you, a large bean adapter. And all it does is so that it doesn't chunk up inside there. See the little attachment, and then beans go around. And this one here is the other attachment for salt. You can't read all that. I don't make all that, but I got the attachments come together. So you would just go right around like that. That's your attachments. There is a bread. There is a bread bagger attachment right here that comes with this. Instead of using that, you would use this. I cannot get this lid to go onto that. So, and I've tried everything. I've tried heating this up with the hot water, with the, you know, with the baggie inside. You just put your bag on, and then you would put that there, and you would put this lid on it and run it, and then your bag, flour would be in a bag for you. I can't get the lid to go on. Tried everything. So at this point, I'm not saying buy this. But that's the attachments for them. This is awesome. Awesome. Awesome, I guess. You use that kind of stuff. And then to clean it, I just take it. I kind of got mine upside down a little. Then I'll wipe it out. I never put water in here. I got a clean towel here. And then I just wipe it out good, and that part's done. This here, you can wash all that in this, but no water goes in here at all. And there is a gray cap that comes with that. They can put on there, keeps all the dust and whatever out of it. Love this machine. All right, thanks for watching. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.